Uthurimi uyu wikitwe ni OCP Africa vamwe na county government ya Embu maina matanya ma kuva arimi mwivuko na ugi wigie mithetu na mimera. Karen Ayebei uria ni agronomist augite uthurimi uyu wa mithetu ni ugutethereria arimi vandu vanene muno yakinya ni gutua matua ma fertilizer iria magutumira migunda yao riria magukorwa makirima. Aritie ndeto eno ai mwena wa ugweri Embu County kuria arathurimaga mithetu ngurani makiria ya 1,080 kwi thirikari ya county. Ayebei augite ati fertilizer ni ugutigirira mimera ni iragia na unoru uria evaterie gukorwa naguo.
What products are specific to the crops and also specific to the soils of the county. Okay, for Embu County, what you've seen first is the pH. Most of the soils are very low pH.
Ovo ni mavotete gukorwa makithondeka mapu 1,140 cia migunda ya Embu ng'ima. Akiongerera na kuga ati mithetu mingi migundari ina nitrogen, phosphorus na organic carbons nini muno.
Also from the soil samples that we've collected, we've been able to map more than 140,000 hectares of land, and out of that we've developed soil maps for the county from the results that we get that will be of benefit when it comes to making decisions that make farmers and the county at large to know what products are specific to the crops and also specific to the soils.
Minister wa Urimi County ya Embu John Nyaga ni akirite mukonde ndeto eno na kuga ati uthurimi uyu ni ugutethereria gutigirira county ya Embu ina vothi wa irio na arimi makavota kugia na mbia ciao na ovo gutethereria kuvesa na fertilizer.
Twitter county government, Twitter consumers na arimi aguku vindiria turamaretere fertilizer iria ya subsidized fertilizer kuma kwa NCPB, National Cereals and Produce Board, tukaviraga fertilizer iria yagirire kundu kuu tuvirite.
Ngerivotera Inoro TV ngetwo Miri Wanjiku.